Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we're at Broadway in Albany. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, what you'll see here is you can either merge left or merge right. When you merge left, it takes you up on the State Street area and it'll bring you right to the Capitol building and you get to see a lot of cool things there. Or we can merge right like we're about to do, or basically stay on Broadway, and we're going to head up there right now. Alright, as we're ever so eloquently waiting for this lady to parallel park, which I think she's having a problem doing right now. Either way, we are on Broadway and Clinton Ave, I believe it is. Yeah, Broadway and Clinton Ave. So as you see up on the upper left-hand corner there, that's the MEPS building, MEPS processing building for military personnel. I remember I was here years ago. Crazy. But if you take a left, that'll take you up Clinton Ave. But we're going to go down, check out the warehouse district on Broadway. Here we go. Alright, so we're coming into the, I guess you call it the warehouse district. Well, not a lot of cool things here. I'm probably not going to be able to cover it all, but there's a lot of cool restaurants, a lot of bars down this way. What's crazy is this is on a Thursday evening, and pre-COVID times on a Thursday evening, this whole area would be mobbed. I mean, tons of people would be out eating, drinking, having a great time, but you know, it's kind of sad to see it like this, but you know, I guess it is what it is. I'm not quite sure if there was something going on somewhere else in Albany that took all the customers away. I mean, looks like things are still kind of, you know, on the verge of recovery still, but either way, there's a lot of restaurants down here. So when things open back up, if you're ever in town, definitely check out this area. On the right here, guys, Druthers Brewery, Druthers, whatever you want to call it. Great food, great beer, one of the most popular places in the area. Definitely check it out if you're down here. All right, as we somewhat close out this video, we're just going to come into Menands right here. Menands is just for the most part an extension of North Albany. Cute little town. Always watch your speed out here. Plenty of cops out here definitely trying to give you those tickets, if you know what I mean. But anyway, enjoy the views, and don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel. If you're new here, definitely subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely give you much more content. All right, have a good one. We'll see you soon.